some of the activities on the bottom of the list are being slowed down or canceled. Here's a look at the radar now. We've got all kinds of colors to show you. This is kind of like a Mardi Gras looking thing here with the red and the green and the purple thrown in here as well. Here's a look at the local radar now. Again, we're seeing the transition from west to east with the snowfall as the slightly cooler temperatures try to build back in and the warmest surge of moisture is up along the east side of our area. So we'll stop it here and to show you what's going on now. This is mostly rain and sleet on the east side through St. Clair County, down through Macomb County into the Detroit area to Monroe as well. And then here's the line where it's starting to change over more earnestly to snow. Doesn't mean there can't be some flakes in here or some snow pellets mixed in as well, for example, around Pontiac. But this line is working west to east now through Livingston County, through Washtenaw County, and through Lenawee County headed to the east. So we'll see more and more of a changeover as we go along. Temperatures at the ground right now, 34 in Detroit, Mount Clemens, 32 in Pontiac, 34 in Howline Harbor as well, and 36 in Monroe, also 36 in Port Huron right now. So it'll take a few more degrees for this to get really lower at the point where the snow really starts to stick very quickly. But the sleet pellets that fall and land can stay for a while because they're made out of ice. 100% for the humidity right now. That means the dew point and temperature are the same. That means we're not going to change our temperature too much. That'll help us out a little bit on the roads, at least overnight. East to northeast winds at 13. The pressure is quite low and still falling. Visibility's a mile or two in lots of spots around the area, and this will change as the snow comes in. You notice in Detroit, over here toward Macomb County, 2 miles visibility, where it's changing over to snow farther west. It's already down a mile less than that. All right, here's the number that everybody's looking for. A good portion of the metro from around I-69 down through the metro, even into northern Monroe County, we're looking at 3 to 6. Yesterday we told you 4 to 7, knocked an inch off there. Most of this accumulation will come in the late evening and overnight hours. And then off to the west here, a little bit less just because you're out of the moisture stream. Most of Livingston County, western part, southwestern part of Monroe County, wrapped up toward Jackson and Lansing, up toward Saginaw in that 3 to 4 range, and then lesser amounts once you get west of Jackson. So the next biggest question is, do I do my homework? The answer is always yes. But here's the deal now. Up around I-69 up through the thumb, a 70% chance that there'll be a number of school closings there. Through the metro area, it's about a 50-50 shot. It depends on how much more of this sleet we can keep up before we start building the snow, and then lesser amounts at 30% through a good portion of Lenawee and Monroe County. Although the rural school districts have a tough time with some of the rough roads, for sure. All right, this evening, it's 30s. The wintry mix changing to the snow. Winds are up a bit as well. Snow tonight mostly as we change everything over. A lot of spots get 2 to 4 by tomorrow morning. We could add another inch or 2 tomorrow, and 36 is the high. That warmth sticks around on Thursday, and then we get chilly heading into the weekend.
All right, Dave. Thank you.